Hi, I'm Dan from Central Carpenter Tools, and recently you might have seen when we filmed at the D&M show, I bought this Kreg concealed hinge jig. So I'm going to see how we get on with it. It's set on 5mm, you can change that 3, 4, 5, 6, and that is the inset.
Blum also make one, don't they?
Blum make a really good one. That was around £180. The problem with the Blum one, it had an enclosed unit, and if I bought one, I would have drilled a hole in it and stick a vacuum, because once you start drilling, you've got nowhere for the excess to come out and it gets clogged up. This one, you've got all the excess going to get it out, and again, this is £28. It's much more robust and just feels quite nice. You see, you've got a nice little bit in the bottom there for your Allen key to go into. Now, our hinge thickness is 15mm, so I kind of get that one to be 15mm. So that's set up already, so it's really good. I've already marked my hinge positions. Again, we're on the 5mm, so I'll just pop that into there.
You want to clamp that, Dan, do you?
I ain't got any clamps. Got any clamps, Rog? Well, it's not bad. Right, show the other one. These gadgets are really good. They're about £2, and it's got all the markings on them. There and there. I bought the cheaper ones, not clip. These are normally clip-on, but I wanted to keep the profile that's really tight and you wouldn't get your finger behind there to unclip it, so I went for the one to the screws, but the clip-on ones are much better. Right, there we go, one door.
So what's this cupboard for?
It's going to go over a metre. A pair of doors, a couple of handles on there, and a gas and electric meter be hiding behind this. And by the way, I'm not making any more of these. This is a love job.
So what do you think of the tool, Dan? That's the purpose of the exercise?
Yeah, it was quite hard. Like, I've got a different one of these cutters by a firm, D-Mag or something, and that was about £25 for the cutter, and that's a really good cutter. I think this cutter's it's not bad, but it was struggling on that MDF. You can just hand hold that and drill them down, but it just gives you that little bit of stability. You're going in nice and square. If I was doing more of them, I'd clamp this down as well, clamp that down. For £28, it's all right. Well, I'm going to try and put a different cutter in now, but this one does look quite like it's made, obviously, for that.
And also, there's no dust extraction on it.
No dust extraction.
Which could be a problem if you're doing a lot of them.
Yeah, I've just done 2 kitchens in the last month. Before that was probably a year ago. So, you know, if you do it all the time, £180 on the Blum one's a win-win. Right, let's drill these two and see how we go again. Right, now we're angling. That's better.
What changed?
Either different MDF, which I doubt. I think just definitely clamp it down and then 2 hands on the drill. That's much better. There we go. So I've got to ease the doors a little bit. So the Kreg concealed hinge jig, open and shut case.